Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hide Instagram story from everyone. First you need to open the Instagram app on our phone and here find the profile page. Then click on the three line on the top right corner and here find the close friends. We can just add to close friend some account, only one account, and then click on the done. Here we can add some story. For example, this. And to hide the story from everyone on Instagram, your friends and some other, you click only the button close friend. And we posted this story only for other close friend, as can we see here, close friends only. And then go to the three lines again and find the close friends, and here delete this account from our close friends, and we don't have some close friends and the story only for close friends, and we hide our Instagram story from everyone. As can we see, it's simple method for do this and hide your story in Instagram app from everyone. This is all for today. Goodbye.